Hello! So I'm taking the dog for a walk and it's been quite windy today. Proof, there's a tree down blocking our path. What do we do, Mooey? Shall we try and go through it? Go on. She only wants these sticks. She doesn't really care that our path is like, may as well try. Oh gosh, it's a lot worse than I thought it was. Literally a whole tree. Are you okay, Moo? Good girly. That was fun. Oh, it's this tree. I like this tree. Yeah, there's been lots and lots of trees down. I know, Mooey, you want the sticks really, really, really bad. Okay, we'll go home. Let me just take a picture of this first. Ready? Come on, Moo.